Hi guys, in the previous sessions I have explained the um, save method, right? So how to store the data using JPA repositories, right? So using the save method. Today, so I will explain how to retrieve data using findAll method and findby, and how to delete the data. So these three operations I will explain today. Okay. So what we need yeah, you see here the previously the user repo is already ready. So what we need first, we will write a endpoint for retrieve the users list. Okay, so for this what we need to write one method. Let me write the method. So that method, it will return the list of users, user get user list. Okay, so now here which method to use? Find all method. Okay, find all. The find all method, what it will do, it will retrieve the data. It will retrieve the full data. Select start from. Okay, it will return the full data, right? Full user list. The same. Okay, now I have written this one. Now if you go to the user service, so this is added, and come to the controller class. So in the controller, right? So let me write this one, get user list. Okay, so for get user list, this no need. Get user list, which is return the list. Okay, now that it will return to here. This is for get method. For retrieving the data, which annotations we have to use? Get method. These are get mapping. Okay, this for, let me write this wildcard, because suppose if any exception comes, then we can handle if you write the wildcard. Okay, collection dot singleton map, so it is failure if it is empty or any exception. Like this, it's enough. Okay, yes, you see here get user list is the endpoint. So once you hit from the postman the request, it comes to here. Okay, and again it will go to the user service and implementation class, and it will go to the findAll method. It will return the list of users. Now let me start the application and see. Application is starting. Wait, now you see application is started. Okay, let me clear. Now you go to the postman. Okay, click the get user list. This is the endpoint. You see here the list of user data it comes, right? Check with the database. Go to the database. How many rows we have? 1 2 3 4 rows, right? Come to the postman. What are the 4? 1 2 3 4 rows it is available. Okay guys, suppose if you want to only one ID, based on the ID if you want to fetch the data, so what you have to do? So come here. So we have one more method in the JPA repository, so findbyId. So use that method and you can call from the service implementation call implementation, then that it will give the findbyId. Okay, get user by ID. Okay, now we need only one user, right? Because we are giving the ID, user ID, so we need to get the user object. Okay, find by ID. So we need to pass the ID. I am passing here. Okay, what is this you see, findbyId, it will return the optional. Okay, so what we will do, we'll use this one. You can write anything. I'm using the Java 8 feature, so you can write Java 7 also. User ID not found. Okay, suppose whatever you are passing that ID, if it is not available, then it will throw with this message. Okay, now pull into the service, go to the service. So adding the service, now come to the user controller as it is same, so copy this. Okay, now get user instead of this one, right? Get user, but we need one input request param, right? So string ready here, long dot parcel on ready. Okay, get user by id. Okay, go to the controller, get user by id. Now you see, guys, you see here, right. This is user, not user list. Only one object it will return, right? Only one user, not list. Okay, remaining everything is same. Here what it is expecting, suppose if you pass the ID, okay, that ID it will take and go to the service and service implementation, and we are calling the findbyId method. Inside the findbyId method we are passing the ID. So what it will do, it will fetch that particular ID. Suppose ID is not available, then we are throwing. This is the Java 8 feature. So up to here is enough. Okay, up to here, right? You can use. Okay, if you want, you can use Java 7 features here. Okay, I have written the Java 8 feature. That's fine. Now come to the controller. So what it is giving an issue. Okay, not. Let me run it. Let me start the application. Now application is started. Now go to the postman. Okay, go to the get user. So get user, we know that employee 2 is available, right? Now employee 2 is available. Now employee 3 is available. No, it is not available, right? Let me go and check into the MySQL database. Employee 3 is not available, right? Employee 4 is available. Go to the date. Employee 4, is it available? Yes, it's available, right? Yeah. Guys, you see here, similarly delete also. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, delete by id. Okay, if you pause this delete, right, so it will delete. It's very simple. Okay, so you can try yourself. And this JPA repository, come to here. There is, so we are calling these methods, right? findAll, findby, and deletebyId. So what are the methods is available? You go to the JPA repository. So as per your requirement, you can call these methods: save and flush, save all flushes, delete in branch. Okay, yeah, this and all, findAll. Okay, and go to the list CRUD repository. So this is all available. If you go to the CRUD repository, save method is there, save on, save all, findby. So this and all you can try yourself. Yeah, this JPA repository, that is fine. So for simple queries like you see here, this is very simple query, right? It's not a complicated query. Suppose if it is complicated query, if it is joins, multiple joins is available in the multiple tables. So what should we do now? Okay, in that time we can go for native queries. So native query I will explain in next session. Thank you. Thanks for watching.